Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install Java in your Windows operating system. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we will go to our browser and then we will search over here JDK and click enter. After that, here you can see there will be an option called Java downloads. So click on that and then scroll down a little bit, close it, and here you will get three options called Linux, Mac OS and Windows. This is the three operating system. So if you're using Windows, then click on Windows and then select x64 MSI installer. Click on that and here you can see the download is started over here. So it will take 4 or 5 minutes. For that, I will fast forward the video. So here you can see JDK 22 is downloaded in our Windows and now we will going to install it. For that, here you can see folder icon, click on that. And now here we are in the download section, click on that 2 times. And by this, it will getting started for install. Here is Java TM AC Development Kit 22.01 64-bit setup. So click on next and then if you want to change the location you can, but I will leave it as default and click next. And here you can see that Java TM AC Development Kit is getting started to install. And if you get and you will get the permission, click yes. And it's progressing. And here you can see it's successfully installed. And now click on close. And now what we will going to do is close, and first we will go to this PC and then come over this local disk C drive and then come over this program files, and here you can see that Java folder. Click on that and click on the JDK 22 and then click on that, copy it and minimize it and go for the search option and search for environment variables. Here you can see environment variable options. Click on that and here you will come over the system properties. Here you can see select the advanced sections and come over environment variables. So here is the path, select the path and click on edit, and after that select here new and paste the copy that you copied and paste the text you copied, and now click on OK and the time OK. And now is Java is installed. So for confirm it, we need to go for the search option and search for CMD over here. Click enter. And now if we write Java space dash dash version and click OK. And here you can see Java 22.0.1 is rightly installed in our Windows operating system. So this is how you can install Java in your Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.